All right, today we're gonna be taking a look at this compact portable iron. Now, one of the cool things about this is you can see, you can actually spin this around. So if you want this to be out and straight like this, or if you kind of want it off to the side, you could do that. Or if you want it super compact, you can actually have it down like this and use it almost like a computer mouse. Now, it's also gonna have this little stand that comes with it. So you could just set it right there on the stand like that. I'm gonna move it off to the side right now, and I'm gonna turn this on to, let's see, I guess this would kind of be considered a linen. So I'm gonna click this over to linen. Now we already added the water in here, and I literally just plugged it in and it's already steaming up, which is pretty crazy how fast that is. So let's actually get it on here and start using it. So you can see this is kind of wrinkled right now. I'm gonna just go across it nice and slow. Wow, that's coming out good actually. Nice and smooth. I like that a lot of steam actually comes out of this as well. So you don't have to like click on anything. The steam actually comes out nice and easy, and it's not dripping. We have an iron right now, and every single time I lift it up, the water drips all over my clothes, and then I have to like iron on it, and it's kind of a hassle. So I'm glad we got this new one because this seems to be working a lot better. Let's switch it to a different mode. So you can see that there's a bunch of different modes on here. There is, let me clean that off, silk, fabric, cotton, linen, and wool. I think wool is the most extreme steam that's gonna come out. You could also do a dry one as well, so where there is literally no steam coming out. And this is gonna last longer because you're not actually using much of that water that's in the tank right there. So you can go ahead and utilize that. I think that's probably the safest for thinner things. Now, if we wanted to work our way up it, I think silk would be the next, which is just going to provide a little bit of steam and just not as hot. Then we can go up to fabric, cotton, and then all the way up to linen. I really like the linen setting because it is pretty aggressive, but you do got to be a little bit careful with what it is that you're ironing. So if you are ironing something that is very delicate and lightweight, I would start lower down on the spectrum, then going all the way up to the linen, because this is very hot to the touch. And like I said, you could easily just have this over here off to the side. If you don't have like an ironing board like this, you could easily just throw it right on top of there, which is nice that it even comes with that. And then when you want to pack it away, all you got to do is literally just unplug it. You're going to spin this piece just like that, and then you can kind of wrap this up. It does have a I don't have it with me right now, but it does have a little thing that you can wrap around this to hold it tight so that it's not just dangling around like that. Now, when you need to fill it with water, you're gonna know because you can kind of see there's a little window right here showing how much water is left. And then there's this rubber piece right here in the middle. Now, I always recommend that you twist this off to the side because it gives you a little bit more space to pour the water in. I just fill this cup up and then you just pour it right down in there. So super easy, simple to do. You could also just have like a water bottle or something with you as well. And then you just push this rubber piece back down and then you're basically ready to go. So if you're looking for a really compact iron, something that you can utilize as a steamer and an iron, maybe you want something that is just going to be small, lightweight, easy to use, or if you want to bring it with you when you're traveling, I think that this is a really good option. And as you can see, this is a really good iron. So if you're looking for one, I would highly recommend picking this one up.